kids, so today we'll do this fun color learning activity. We'll learn some colors from these colors, so let's get started. Alright kids, so first of all we have these several different colors present over here, so we'll learn some colors together, so let's get started. So kids, here we have this color. Let's open it. Alright, so here we have this pink color. Let's put it over here. Next we have this yellow color. Then we have this red color. Next we have this blue color. Next we have this color. Let's see what color is this. Alright, so here we have this black color. Next we have this color. It is a green color. Alright, let's put it over here. Next we have this color. Let's see what color is this. Can you guess what color is this? Alright, so here we have this orange color. So kids, here we have learned a few colors. First of all, we have this pink color. Then we have yellow color. Then we have this red color and blue color, black, green and orange color. So we have learned these 7 different colors. So let's do a fun activity from these colors. So let's get started. Alright kids, so here we have these uppercase letters from letter A to letter Z. So kids, let's paint them and do this fun color learning activity all together. So let's get started. Alright kids, so first of all we'll write A. It is an uppercase letter A and this color is blue. Next we are writing an uppercase letter B. Can you tell me what color is this? Alright, so it is a yellow color. Next we have an uppercase letter C. Let's write an uppercase letter C with another color. Alright, so here we have an uppercase letter C and it is red in color. Next we have an uppercase letter D. Let's write an uppercase letter D with this color. Can you guess which color is this? Alright, so it is a green color. You're right. Now, next we have an uppercase letter E. Let's write an uppercase letter E. Like this. Alright, so here we have an uppercase letter E. And an uppercase letter E is of orange color. Alright. Next we have an uppercase letter F. Can you tell me what color is this? Yes. Uppercase letter F is of pink color. You're right. Next we have an uppercase letter G. Let's write an uppercase letter G. Like this. Can you tell me what color is this? Yes, it is a black color. Alright kids, next we have an uppercase letter H. Let's write an uppercase letter H. So kids, can you tell me what color is this? Alright, so it is a blue color. Right. Next we have an uppercase letter I. Let's write an uppercase letter I all together. So can you tell me what color is this? Yes, it is yellow. Now next we have an uppercase letter J. Let's write an uppercase letter J. And guess what color is this? Alright, so it is red in color. So kids, next we have an uppercase letter K. Can you tell me what color is this? Tell me what color is this? Alright, so an uppercase letter K is green in color. You're right, bravo! So kids, next we have an uppercase letter L. Let's write an uppercase letter L. Can you tell me what color is this? This is an uppercase letter L, and uppercase letter L is of orange color. You're right! So kids, next we have an uppercase letter M, and uppercase letter M is pink in color. Right! Can you tell me what comes after M? Yes, N comes after M, and let's write an uppercase letter M like this. Good job. And can you tell me what color is this? Yes, it is black in color. Again, we'll pick a color and write uppercase letter O. So kids, can you tell me what color is this? Yes, again it is a blue color. So next we have uppercase letter P. Let's write an uppercase letter P like this. Can you tell me what color is this? Alright, it is yellow color. Let's write Q. Here we have an uppercase letter Q. Uppercase letter Q is red in color. Alright, let's write an uppercase letter R like this. Now tell me what color is this? Alright kids, so it is a green color. Bravo! Next we are writing an uppercase letter S. So kids, you have to guess what color is this? Alright, so it is orange in color. Next we have an uppercase letter T. Let's write it all together. Here we are writing an uppercase letter T, and it is pink in color. Next we have an uppercase letter U. Let's write it like this. Can you guess what color is this? Alright, so it is a black color. Bravo! Next we have an uppercase letter V. Let's write an uppercase letter V. So kids, can you tell me what color is this now? Alright, so it is a blue color. Next we have an uppercase letter W. Let's write it like this. Now you have to tell me what color is this? Yes, good job. It is a yellow color. Bravo! Next we have an uppercase letter X. Let's write it all together. And uppercase letter X is red in color. Good job! So kids, next we have Y. Let's write uppercase letter Y all together like this. It is green in color. Next we have Z. Let's write uppercase letter Z Like this. Good job. Can you tell me what color is this? Yes, uppercase letter Z is orange in color. Bravo! Alright kids, so let's revise all of them together. Here we have uppercase letter A, that is blue in color. B, that is yellow in color. C is red in color. D is green in color. E is orange in color. F is pink in color. G is black in color. H is blue in color. I is yellow in color. J is red in color. K is green in color. L is orange in color. M is pink in color. N is black in color. O is blue in color. P is yellow in color. Q is red in color. R is green in color. S is orange in color. D is pink in color. U is black in color. V is blue in color. W is yellow in color. X is red in color. Y is green in color. And Z is orange in color. So kids, I hope you like this activity. If you like this activity, do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.